Hi, I welcome you all once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Nasuna Hilda, and I'll be taking you through Google Contacts. For instance, tired of losing your contacts as a result of losing phone or losing your personal gadget that you use to store all your information about your contacts. You may have 1,000 contacts, and after losing your phone, you don't have to struggle with looking for individual contacts from people, because that would be hectic. So today I'll be showing you how to save your contacts on Google Contact. So come with let me show you. So to get Google Contacts, you have to open up your browser, which is Chrome. After opening up Chrome, you have 9 dots here. They show you the different, and this is where you will get Google. That's where you get Google Contacts, but I already have it. So this is Google Contact. So this is Google Contact. I already have 235 contacts on my email. So after saving your contacts, you save them to Google Contacts. So even after losing your phone, for instance, these contacts, I saved them on my phone, but I can easily get access to them using my personal computer. That's the advantage Google Contacts gives you. For instance, you want to add an extra contact. Here, you may want to create a contact. You create a contact, a brand new contact for for instance, after getting somebody's number and you want to save them on your Google Contact specifically. After opening up Google Contact, you come to this, you click on create contact, and this is what comes. Now for instance, you may name the person. This is the option where you insert your first name, here last name, and these other details are not that crucial, so you may or may not insert them. You're also given priority to put their email. Then, as you know, somebody may not be from Uganda and from some other country. Here you have the privilege of editing their contact also here. So after doing all this, let me use an example. Here, then for this case, you can save. So after saving, you're going to find out that I've saved my contact, but this contact shall be saved as this will back up my contact. It will be one of my many contacts that I already have, but even after losing my phone or anything, I can easily retain this information using Google Contacts. So as you can see, it gives you other options. For instance, as you can see, I previously had 235 contacts, but now I have 236. So it's a new contact created on my Google Contact. I can easily get access to this, and this is where you can easily gain access to all the different contacts that you've deleted. For instance, you've deleted a contact and you want to retain it, or you want to bring it back. So this is where you pick up your contact. For instance, I had deleted these 2 contacts in the past 30 days, so you can recover any of those. You can also import contacts from somewhere else. You can merge and fix. For instance, I may have a contact and I've made a contact for one person 6 times. I've saved the number 6 times, so I already have the contact for instance Hilda. I already have Hilda 6 times. So here you can easily merge all those contacts that had duplicated. So that's all I can talk about Google Contacts. Feel free to try out all these things that I've been teaching you. Thank you so much for staying tuned to my YouTube channel. I love you.